Okay, folks, this is going to be a quick little excursion into phase relationships or phase in an inductive and a capacitive circuit. I always get confused about what lags and what leads, so we're just going to we're going to look at quickly how to determine whether we're dealing with a lagging situation or a leading situation. So we know if this is time, whenever you're going this way, we use the word lead, and whenever we're dealing this way, lag. Okay, so if your arrow is going this way, it's a lag. If it's going this way, it's a lead. And we can use Eli, the ice man, as an acronym to remember phase relationships. And remember that this one is always talking about leading something else. So L, as we remember, is our inductor. So we say voltage leads current, okay, in an inductive circuit. And in a capacitive circuit, the capacitive reactance, we know that current leads voltage. So how do we determine that? Well, this is a nice little picture of an inductive series circuit, purely inductive, no resistor. So all you have to do is find two peaks. We could use these two peaks, but what we're going to do is we're going to use these two peaks here. And all you need to do is draw a dot on each of the peaks and draw an arrow leading to the right. And we know that voltage, which is the blue curve, V leads current, which is the red curve in this circuit. Okay, we know that if voltage leads current, so voltage in an inductive circuit leads current, it is an inductive circuit. Okay, so when we draw our arrow going to the right, we say this leads this. Now if you wanted to know what lags something else, you just do the same thing, find the two. If you want to find out what lags something, you just find the two peaks again, same deal, that are closest together, and you draw an arrow going the other way, and you could then say that current lags voltage. Okay, so that's how you work out what lags and what leads. Obviously, for a capacitive circuit, you would have the current leading the voltage. Okay, so you'd have a different diagram, but the same deal. You would find the two peaks and you would draw an arrow from one to the other, and if you're drawing it from the right to the left, you'd say this lags this, and if you're going the other way, you'd say this leads that. Okay, really simple stuff, and it's a really efficient way of remembering the phase relationship, which I didn't understand when I was at when I was learning radio communications at the Maritime College, and I did remember this acronym, but I never kind of understood how to read a graph. So if they ever ask you what lags something else, find your two peaks, draw an arrow between them. If you go to the right, you say one thing leads the other, and if you're going to leads, if you're going to the right, lags if you're going to the left. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.